Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what the different colour lights mean on your Amazon Echo Dot. So right now it's flashing yellow. This simply means that you've got a notification or a message. So what's the notification?
You don't have any notifications. There are unread messages. One for Jimmy. From Midge.
Hello, how are you doing?
Received about 10 minutes ago.
So there you go, you can see that there's no notification there, but there was a message there, and now that light bar has gone out. If you have a blue light bar or a cyan light bar, so blue or lighter blue, it simply means that it's either listening to you or waiting for you to speak. For example, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:43 p.m.
So can you see there, it was blue, but then when I spoke, can you see it was lighting up cyan? Alexa, darker blue, cyan. What time is it?
The time is 3:43 p.m.
And then when it's repeating back, you can see that it lights up blue and cyan again. So that's what those colours are. If you're wondering what red means, it simply means the microphone is muted. Alexa, you can see it's not hearing me now. So if you want privacy, you're just going to be pressing that button there, and it just means the microphone is muted, and that's why it's not working. Green means that you're getting a call from another device. Let me just show you that. There you go, so you can see I dropped in from another device, and that's why it's green. So it's receiving a call from another Amazon device. Purple means when you've got do not disturb on. So if you don't want to be disturbed, you would say, Alexa, do not disturb.
I won't disturb you.
And you will now see that it will go to purple, like so. So then if I was to ask it a question, it will still answer, but afterwards it will come up with a little purple bar. And what time is it?
It's 3:45 p.m.
So you can see it's gone to purple. So I'm just going to take that off. Take off do not disturb.
Do not disturb is now off.
If you're wondering what white means, it simply means you're adjusting the volume. And if you have a look, you can see that the lights will disappear more as the volume goes down. You can see it moving around. It will flash like that when it's at its lowest possible volume, so it can't go any lower. And likewise, when you do this, the light bar will fill up. There will be more white lights, and then when you reach the top, it will flash to let you know it can't go any more. There you go. So we are now at maximum. And the last one you will see is an orange light. Orange light means it is in setup mode. So if I was to reset the device by holding this down for 5 seconds.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
You can now see we have the orange light there. So that is it. I've shown you every single light colour in this one video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.